Good morning, students. Today in this fifth video of Standard 8 SS chapter number 8, I am going to discuss the long question answer and small question answer also. Okay, even give reason also. So give reason, then small question answer and long question answer. Standard 8 SS chapter number 8 lecture number video number 5th. Okay, India challenges and solution. Number 1, that is give reason. Number 1, give reason. Corruption is a black spot. Corruption is a black spot on the economy. Once again I repeat, corruption is a black spot on the economy. Give reason. First point. First point, that is definition. Definition of a corruption. Okay. What is called corruption? Corruption is an immoral and illegal behavior of a person to demand money for something which the payer does not need to pay. What is the definition of corruption? Once again, corruption is an immoral and illegal behavior of a person to demand money for something which the payer does not need to pay. Okay. Second point. Due to such behavior, corruption violates human rights and gives rise to inflation. Once again, okay, due to such behavior, corruption violates human rights and gives rise to inflation. Third point. Hence, the moral of people goes down. Okay, if you are paying, it means your moral is good. If you are taking money, or if you are giving, that also makes you down. Okay, so hence the moral of people goes down, and their trust towards law and their faith decreases. Okay, by doing such behavior, what happened? Okay, the moral of people goes down and their trust towards law and their faith decreases. Okay, next point. All these ultimately affect the development of the nation. Because of that, corruption nation affects. Okay, so all these ultimately affect the development of the nation. Hence, because of these reasons, corruption is called a black spot on economy. It is a black spot on economy. Got it? Once again, what is that? Okay, that is the first one is definition. By doing such thing, okay, it violates human rights and that gives rise to inflation. Then because of that, their trust, their faith decreases. Okay, their trust towards law and faith decreases. Okay, and my dear student, ultimately it affects the nation. That is why we can say that corruption is a black spot on economy. Got it? Second give reason. Standard of people decreases due to inflation. Due to inflation, the standard living of the people goes down. Okay, how? Okay, give reason. Standard of people decreases due to inflation give reason. What happened? First we have to consider about the definition. What is called inflation? Okay. And my dear student, by inflation, what happened? What happened? We cannot plan. Okay. What you have already planned, budget. Okay. That changes, and because of that, you have to leave certain things. Okay. And when the things which you are living, because of that, the standard of the people goes down. Here, standard of people decreases due to inflation. Give reason. Number one, in routine life, a person's income does not grow as fast as inflation. First point, in routine life, a person's income does not grow as fast as inflation. Okay. Second thing, it becomes very difficult. It becomes very difficult for people to manage things. Because of the inflation, it is difficult to manage things. Third thing, since their monthly income is fixed, since their monthly income is fixed, the budget they have planned, okay, the budget that they have planned to meet the expenses get disturbed, because your monthly income is fixed and the price of the thing is gone up, so it is difficult to manage. Sometimes we cannot afford also. Okay. Why? Because your monthly income is fixed, and because of the price rise, okay, it is difficult to meet expenses. Okay. It is difficult. You have already planned, so it is difficult. Okay. Okay, to meet the expenses, and because of that, the what you have planned, it gets disturbed. Okay. So they need to cut their expenses by not buying few things. Okay. We have to leave. Now take the example, the price of the petrol goes high, so what will happen? Sometimes we will not go by our own vehicle, we can prefer some other government buses or train something. Why? Because price of the petrol gone up. Okay. So you cannot go alone on your own vehicle. Okay. It becomes very costly. So as a result, what happened? Instead of going by own vehicle, you will go for some other vehicle. Okay. Next one. Hence, due to non-affordability of things, the standard of living goes down during inflation. Because of that. Okay. Hence, due to non-affordability of things, the standard of living goes down during inflation. Got it? Next question is that, which internal problems, my dear student, which internal problems is India facing? Which internal problem is India facing? Answer: India is facing such internal problems like number one, overpopulation, illiteracy, inflation, poverty, unemployment, urbanization, corruption, and terrorism. Okay, these are called internal problems. Okay, facing by India. So India is facing such internal problems like overpopulation, illiteracy, inflation, poverty, unemployment, urbanization, corruption, and terrorism. Dear students, my next question is state the measures taken by the government to eradicate illiteracy. in order to stop. Okay, eradicate means shorten. Okay, in order to eradicate, illiteracy, in order to stop. Okay, this thing, which steps are taken by the government? First one is government provides government provides free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education for primary level students. For primary level students in the age group of 6 to 14 years. The first step taken by the government is, first thing is to provide free and compulsory education for the students of 6 to 14 years. Okay, so primary education should be free and compulsory. Once again, government provides free and compulsory education for primary level students in the age group of 6 to 14 years. It is the first step taken by the government. Second one, government has also taken primary education at a global level. Okay, primary education at a global level. Third one, it also provides, the government provides, what they provide? Scholarship. Okay, government, they provide scholarship. Second one is midday meal, madhyahan bhojan. Then pre-primary education is also provided. Next point, various plans and policies. Okay, compulsory education is there, scholarship, midday meal, pre-primary. Apart from that, many things are there. Okay, various plans and policies related to female education, residential schools, Vidyadip Yojana, ideal residential schools, continuous education and right to education 2009 have been set up. Okay, so many things are there. Free and compulsory education, then also primary education they have taken as a global level, scholarship, midday meal, pre-primary education, then the policies related to female education, residential school, then Vidyadip Yojana, ideal residential school, then RTE has been set up. So these steps are taken by the government, okay, by the government to eradicate illiteracy. Got it? Next question. State the methods of protecting ourselves. State the methods of protecting ourselves from terrorism. My dear student, terrorism is a global problem. It's a global problem, and we know, okay, it creates a terror, means making the people frightened, okay, by the certain group. Okay, so how we can save ourselves from the terrorism? State the methods of protecting ourselves from terrorism. First point, okay, here it is a title, measures to save ourselves from terrorism. First point, what is the first point? Citizen must face terrorism. Citizen must face terrorism with bravery and courage. With bravery and courage. Okay, we should not frighten. Okay, we should not be frightened. Okay, we have to face with bravery and courage. That is first point. Second one, the intelligence bureau. The intelligence bureau should be strong and active in order to protect ourselves. Intelligence bureau should be strong and active. Third point, people should always be ready. They should be ready to cooperate with security forces. Okay, they should cooperate the security forces. Next, people should remain alert. People should remain alert in public and crowded places. When there are many people are gathered, we should keep ourselves ready. We have to keep our eyes open to watch everything. So people should remain alert, okay, in public and crowded places. Got it? Next one. People should not pay. People should not pay attention to rumors of foul. Okay? They should not pay attention. They should not pay attention to rumors. Next one. People shouldn't panic. घबराई जवान नहीं. They shouldn't panic. And last point. Security forces should be well equipped with CCTV cameras and metal detectors. Okay, this is most important. Security forces should be well equipped with CCTV cameras and metal detectors. Got it? My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.